Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre espresso shots? Get ready to elevate your coffee game with the Espresso Tamping Station for Ninja Luxe Cafe by GGV. This top-rated accessory is a total game changer for any coffee lover, and I'm excited to dive in and show you why. The Espresso Tamping Station for Ninja Luxe Cafe is designed to work seamlessly with the Ninja S601 and S701, making it a must-have for owners of these popular machines. With its sleek design and sturdy construction, you'll be able to achieve perfectly compressed espresso shots every time, thanks to the smooth and even tamping action that feels solid and reassuring under your fingers. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among coffee enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of this tamping station is the way it simplifies the espresso making process, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about uneven tamping. The sound of the espresso flowing into the cup is music to your ears, and the rich aroma that fills the air is the perfect sensory experience. In real-life use, this product shines, whether you're making a quick morning espresso or entertaining friends and family with a coffee tasting. The Espresso Tamping Station for Ninja Luxe Cafe is better than other options on the market because it's specifically designed to work with your Ninja machine, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. The result is a perfectly balanced shot with a smooth, velvety texture that's sure to impress even the most discerning coffee connoisseurs. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking to upgrade your daily espresso routine, the Espresso Tamping Station for Ninja Luxe Cafe is an excellent choice, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed with the rich flavor and convenience it provides. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.